Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a little turtle named Tara. Tara was slow, very slow. She always arrived late to everything. The other animals laughed at her. "Why are you so slow, Tara?" the rabbits teased. "You'll never achieve anything if you move like that," the fox said. Tara felt sad. She wished she could be fast like the others. One day, she saw a butterfly flying gracefully. "Oh, I want to be like that," she whispered. Just then an old wise tortoise appeared. "Why are you unhappy, little one?" he asked. "I'm too slow. No one respects me." "I want to be fast like everyone else," Tara replied. The tortoise smiled. "You want to change who you are. But happiness doesn't come from being someone else. Let me show you something." The next morning, the tortoise asked Tara to carry a small basket of fruit to the top of the hill. The rabbits and foxes tried to do it too. They ran up quickly, but the basket fell and the fruit scattered. Tara walked slowly, carefully placing each step, and reached the top without dropping a single piece. The wise tortoise said, "See, Tara, your slowness is not a weakness, it is your strength. You are careful, thoughtful, and precise. Others may be fast, but only you can do this perfectly." Tara realized something important. She didn't have to be like the rabbits or the fox. She could use her own abilities to succeed in her own way. From that day on, Tara felt proud of who she was. She moved at her own pace, and people started respecting her for her patience and dedication. Lesson: stop comparing yourself to others. Your strengths may look different, but they are just as valuable. Happiness comes from accepting yourself and using your abilities wisely.